Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Anna's Aqua Home. I want to say a big hello to all the new subscribers. I've gotten so many over the past couple weeks and it is really fun to see. I've just wanted to do this for a while, and I know when I first started out it was a bunch of friends and family that were following me, and now other people are finding my channel and subscribing and watching the videos and leaving comments and likes, and that just really is a lot of fun. I'm enjoying making this content, and so if you're one of the new ones, thank you so much for following, and I hope you get some great ideas. I wanted to do this quick video. I have a bigger one going out a little bit later today, but I wanted to start because it's the middle of September. I wanted to include some fall ideas on my channel, and so I have some that I've previously made, and I thought I would do a quick video and show you those. So in no specific order, some are bigger, some are smaller. Here are some of the fall projects that I've put together in years past. One of my favorites is this wall hanging right here. It's a whole bunch of extra scrap material that my mom had, and so I just made some random scrappy blocks, and then in the middle I made this little wreath that says thankful and blessed. So I made this several years ago. I just love it as a nice wall hanging. So maybe you could get an idea. My mom had a quilt of the month kit, and these were all the extra pieces from it that came with it, and so I put those together, added a few more several years ago, and made this pretty wall hanging. I'm going to be doing some projects today with scraps from this quilt. I made this quilt and it took me several years. It is very large, but it's pretty simple. It's just these big blocks with smaller border around each block, and then you put them all together. And then I actually machine quilted this on a long arm machine myself. Nice swirl pattern, so it turned out really well. This is one of my favorite quilts this time of year. I am getting it out, so very nice. I don't use these traditional fall colors very much in my fall decorating. I actually don't decorate for fall that much, but I'm talking about that in another video. But there's a quilt if you're looking for a big project. All right. Next are some table runners that I've done. I think table runners are one of the best projects because they're small and quick. You can get them finished, but they just really add a lot to your home. This is one of my favorite table runners that I've ever done. I made these cute little pumpkin blocks and put them together. I'm going to show you how to make these pumpkin blocks in a video coming up, so definitely stick around for that. But that was a really quick, easy table runner and project to do. The next one, also pretty easy, has a lot of quilting on it, but I just did these pumpkins and leaves, traditional colors, and this is a nice one just to put down a table. Very nice and pretty quick as well. This one was with these. It's not necessarily fall themed, but this was a cute little table runner. As I was looking through, I thought, well, let me go ahead and pull that out and show that on camera. And then here is a little pumpkin. It has a little burlap top, and I'm going to make these in another video coming up because I thought these were just so cute. I've sold these at a flea market before, and these did really well. So I know people really like them, and I hope that you watch that video and learn how to make your own. So these are just some of the fall projects that I've put together in years past, and then I'll be making a whole bunch of new fall projects over the next coming weeks to showcase on my channel. So again, if you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by, and if you've been here before, thanks so much for coming back. Bye.